Standing in the courtyard, looking at building 5. See the windows over there last week have been removed by ECSI. They continue to stay on site and do some miscellaneous demolition and cleanup. I'm on the back side of building 5, south side. In between building 5 and building 7, where ECSI has started to do some cleanup here, cutting these trees down. They gotta grub all this out, clean all the debris that was here as well as what they create. They've worked themselves around the back of the building. 7, 8, 5, and 6. Taking down miscellaneous pipe, clips, windows. You see their lift on the back side here. Still have a bit of work to do. I'm on the second floor of building 5. You see ECSI has removed the windows here on the east side. Got that all cleaned up yesterday. As we get a shot looking down the north side of the same windows we looked at from the outside of the courtyard. It has been all cleaned up. Now on the third floor, building 5, you can see some more windows that got removed nearer the end of the day yesterday. Get this mess cleaned up first thing Monday morning. As we take a look down, heading west. We'll get down the other end where we've started some layout for this floor. IPS will be over, starting some framing. Once we get ahead on the layout, probably middle of next week, I would say. Again, building 5, third floor. Got a good delivery of materials yesterday, anticipating the framers get started up here. I'm walking by the corridor towards building 4. We went over layout on Thursday. Make some slight changes there, as well as in this building. And as you can see, as we look down west, the beginning of the layout that IPS has started. I'm in building 2 on the third floor. You can see the floor repair. It's moving along. Looking east. We're on the 4th floor of building 2. You can see quite a bit of floor repair has been completed this week. A little bit down the end to clean up. Good morning. I'm up at the penthouse of Building 2, looking north. There's some design being done to access this from the units in the 4th floor. Talking about a loft intermittent between the penthouse floor and the 4th floor itself. It's about 20 feet tall. As you can see, really nice view out of here. This is looking south over the tracks. Some windows to be removed. Old sprinkler lines. This wasn't very accessible due to the condition of the floors on the 4th floor, but now that it's been repaired, we can get up here and get some work done. I'm in stairway 1, building 1. This is looking up to the 2nd floor. As you can see, IPS got these all built up to the 4th floor. Little working platform. They haven't quite taken down yet. Looking down the corridor, building 1, floor number 2. Pretty far along with framing here. Probably have another day or so and this will be wrapped up. We'll be ready to move over to building 5. Some odds ends and build on floor 3. Floor 4 is all done as far as framing goes. Again in stairway 1 up to floor 3. As you can see, we've got the landing and we got the framing that needs to be completed up to the 4th floor. Wrap this up. Guys are cleaning up today, Saturday. Pretty much spend their day moving things around and getting cleaned up, organized a little more than they'd be able to do during the week. And they'll wrap this up on Monday. A shot of it. Looking down. 2nd floor. And down to the 1st. Still in building 1 on the 3rd floor. As you can see, the framing is pretty much wrapped up on this floor. We've got the half walls in for the kitchens. Plumbing has begun throughout the whole building, getting their stacks in, as you can see, into laundry and bathroom. Water piping is to begin this week. Tubs are to be delivered this week. So we should see some substantial changes going on this week coming as far as the plumbing goes. Pretty representative of what you see on the 4th floor as well. This is a look from building 1 on the 3rd floor. We're looking at building 4. We have our containers for plumber, framer, obviously dumpsters. The plumber will be receiving another container this week, which will be put across the street in the parking lot on Beacon Street. We did receive last night, Friday evening, progress plans for the site work. So it's key that we keep this area as open as possible for the beginning of site work upcoming, both interior and exterior roofing, which is going to require, cranes, dumpsters, that sort of thing. So this area in the very near future is going to become very congested. We're going to try and keep this open as much as possible. You can see they're getting rid of some of the trash that they cleaned up today.